Hello everyone. Welcome to Analogx. Today I will come live at 5 p.m. Many people were asking me on LinkedIn regarding job opportunity in analog IC design and how to prepare for interview, which resources they need to follow, and referrals also. So we know that there are very less opportunity in analog design, and there are many other things. Because of that, companies are not hiring. Okay, so you can ask me at 5 p.m. I won't be able to reply all of uh, DMs on LinkedIn. So you can ask me at 5 p.m. and try to reply. Okay, okay. Thank you. Bye.